Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about that WELD token is a legit or scam. Now before start the video, let's hear my legal description. None of the information given in this video should be taken as a financial advice. Please make your investment according to your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Firstly, you will open this token on CoinMarketCap. After that, you will check public comment like bullish and bearish comment. Now here you will check every comment in detail. After that, go to chat section and click on Telegram. Now you will open this token on Telegram. And here you will search scam. So here different comment is showing related to scam. You will check every comment in detail. After that, go to CoinMarketCap. Then you will copy this address and you will open Dex tool. Now here you will paste address and you will open this token. Then you will check community trust. Now here you can check buying and selling transaction detail. After that, go to CoinMarketCap and click on market section. So finally here you will check that this token is available or not on popular exchanges like Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase and KuCoin. After that, click on this contract address. So Etherscan has been opened and here token holders is around 200. Then go to holder section. Now here you can check token holders transaction detail. If I share my opinion with you, then this token 40% chances is that it is a scam and 60% chances is that it is a legit or genuine token. Thanks for watching.